Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and the topic of today's video is my first game on Edge. So without further ado, let's dive in. My first game is named as Laser Defender, and it's about a spaceship shooter who need to keep avoiding alien spaceships and their laser fires infinitely. No winning conditions, game is only finished when you are destroyed. Controls are simple: up, down, left, right, arrow keys, and WSAD for ship control, spacebar or left mouse button key for firing. System requirements: game is only compatible with any browser on PC. It may run on mobile from Edge, but as there are no controls, so you cannot control the ship at all. So what is in it that makes it unique? Is there any story, any level system, any distinct feature? There is nothing, and it was not the best of my work. Then you may ask, why publish it at first place? To be honest, I wanted to make a game that is wonderful as my first one. I have several ideas to work upon and to expand on, but publishing this game as my first one was necessary to get a proper understanding of how game publishing works. During the compilation of game and whole process of publishing this game, I learned a few new things about publishing, just like I did when I uploaded my first video on YouTube. I am a developer. It was so messy, and I learned a lot about it. This game on Itch is similar to my very first video. I know for a fact that I can do better. Anyhow, for what it's worth, 49 people played Laser Defender till that day. A few of them gave good comments and encouraged me the best way they can, and this is awesome. If you want to play my first game, link is given in the description. Don't forget to give feedback about it in video comments, and I also give you suggestions as how can I make that idea better. If you liked today's content, please like this YouTube video. If you want to stay tuned to my game development or web development journey, then please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the white bell icon to get notifications for my latest video. Also, sharing is caring, so do share it forward. That's all for today. Thank you so much.